1. 1967 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe. Price $60,000. Located in Bradley, Illinois. The 1967 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe presented here is a purpose-built drag racing machine that blends classic Buick styling with modern race-proven engineering. Finished in a deep blue exterior matched with a blue interior, this Skylark retains its iconic late 60s appearance while hiding an extremely aggressive performance setup beneath the body. With only 1,111 miles indicated, the vehicle reflects limited use since completion and careful ownership. At the heart of this drag car is a massive 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine running on methanol, designed for high horsepower output and consistent track performance. The engine features lemon-stepped headers flowing into large 4-inch collectors and is fed by a Ron's fuel injection toilet system, a setup well known in competitive drag racing environments. Power is delivered through a Prince Racing Powerglide transmission equipped with a 5,000 revolutions per minute payless converter, straight cut gears, and a reinforced 300M input shaft. The drivetrain is supported by a Chris Alston Chassis Works fabricated FAB9 rear end, featuring 4.11 gears, a spool, and 40 spline strange axles housed in a strange aluminum ultra case third member. A PST carbon fiber driveshaft transfers power efficiently, while S&W wheelie bars help manage hard launches. Suspension duties are handled by AFCO big gun shocks, QA1 coilovers, and a rack and pinion steering system. Additional highlights include Willwood brakes on all 4 corners, full MSD ignition with power grid and launch control, beadlock racing wheels, Mickey Thompson slicks, Lexan windows, and professional paint and bodywork. This Skylark is a serious, turnkey drag race car built with top-tier components throughout, making it an exceptional option for racers or collectors seeking a rare and extreme Buick-based platform. 2. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura drag car. Price $24,000. Located in Burleson, Texas. The 1963 Ford Falcon Futura featured here is a dedicated drag racing platform built with function and safety as top priorities. Retaining an all-steel body with the exception of the hood, this Falcon preserves its classic early 60s profile while incorporating a race-ready chassis underneath. The vehicle is offered as a roller, meaning it does not include an engine or transmission, allowing the next owner full flexibility to install their preferred power combination. The car is supported by a mild steel square tube chassis and is equipped with a full funny car cage, offering excellent structural rigidity and driver protection. Previously certified to an 8.50-second specification, the certification has since expired but reflects the level of build quality and performance capability engineered into the car. With an aluminum-headed big block Chevrolet, Powerglide transmission, and a 200-pound driver, the total race weight was approximately 2,850 pounds. Suspension components include an Art Morrison ladder bar setup, Santif double adjustable front struts, and rear coilovers, allowing precise tuning for track conditions. Braking is handled by Aerospace front brakes and Willwood rear brakes, ensuring confident stopping power. The rear end is a 9-inch unit with a bolt-through aluminum center section, Moser 40 spline gun drilled axles, and 4.56 gears. Additional features include MSD grid ignition, K and R wiring with ProCube, radiator with fans, and BBC motor plates with headers included. This Falcon is ideal for racers seeking a solid, proven foundation rather than a cut-up or compromised project. It represents an excellent starting point for a serious drag racing build. 3. 1970 Chevrolet Nova drag car. Price $18,500. Located in Norwalk, Ohio. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova drag car offered here is a lightweight, race-focused roller designed for competitive drag racing applications. This vehicle is a true purpose-built platform and is sold without an engine or transmission, giving the next owner full control over the final powertrain configuration. It features an all-fiberglass body with the exception of the roof and quarter panels, contributing to a reduced overall weight and improved performance potential. With a race weight of approximately 2,400 pounds when equipped with a big block Chevrolet and Powerglide transmission, this Nova offers an excellent power-to-weight ratio. The chassis is constructed from 2 by 3 square tubing and has been NHRA certified to 8.50 seconds, making it suitable for serious competition. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch unit fitted with 5.13 gears, optimized for hard launches and strong mid-track acceleration. The car is equipped with a ladder bar rear suspension, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, and a complete fire suppression system, emphasizing safety alongside performance. Electrical systems include a 7AL3 ignition box and K&R wiring throughout. The tire setup accommodates up to a 32 by 14 rear tire, with a 32 by 10.5 currently installed and an additional set of larger tires included with the sale. This Nova is set up specifically for a big block Chevrolet and Powerglide combination and includes all necessary components except the engine and transmission. While it does not come with a title, it represents a well-prepared, track-ready roller ideal for racers seeking a competitive and proven drag chassis. 4. 1989 Ford Mustang GT Fox Body. Price $37,000. Located in Frisco, Texas. The 1989 Ford Mustang GT Fox Body presented here is a high-horsepower drag-focused build designed for serious competition and grudge racing. Finished in blue, this Mustang combines classic Fox body styling with modern race-proven hardware throughout. With approximately 1,000 miles driven since completion, the car reflects limited use and careful ownership. Under the hood is a massive 565 cubic inch big block engine equipped with a nitrous system, delivering extreme power potential. Exhaust exits through front-mounted bullhorn headers, reinforcing its aggressive race-oriented design. Power is transferred through a 1.58 ratio Powerglide transmission and sent to a reinforced rear end, ensuring durability under heavy load. The car features a full 12-point roll cage, providing safety and chassis rigidity during high-speed passes. Suspension components include Viking front struts and Viking rear shocks, allowing precise adjustment for launch and track conditions. The Mustang rides on RC Comp wheels with 17-inch weld wheels fitted for racing applications. Electronic management is handled by an MSD grid system paired with a Max 5 controller, offering advanced ignition and nitrous control. This Fox body is described as a dedicated grudge car, with performance times available to serious buyers upon deposit. It is not a casual street build, but a focused drag racing machine built for power, consistency, and competition. For enthusiasts seeking a serious Fox body with proven components and aggressive capability, this 1989 Mustang GT delivers a strong and competitive package. 5. 1976 Chevrolet Vega drag car. Price $18,000. Located in Watertown, Tennessee. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega presented here is a turnkey drag racing vehicle built for immediate use and straightforward ownership. This Vega has been prepared as a ready-to-race car, making it an ideal option for buyers who want to get on the track without the time and expense of finishing a project. The seller describes the car as complete and functional, emphasizing its readiness for competition. While detailed specifications are limited, the vehicle is offered in new condition relative to its racing configuration, suggesting recent preparation or refurbishment. The lightweight Vega platform has long been favored in drag racing due to its compact dimensions and excellent power-to-weight potential. This example continues that tradition, serving as a simple and effective drag car suited for bracket racing or local competition. The car is described as turnkey, meaning all essential systems are in place and operational. This allows the next owner to focus on driving and tuning rather than assembly or troubleshooting. The straightforward nature of this Vega makes it appealing to racers who value simplicity, reliability, and ease of maintenance over complexity. Located in Watertown, Tennessee, this Chevrolet Vega is positioned for convenient pickup and inspection. The seller encourages direct contact for questions, reflecting transparency and confidence in the vehicle. For racers or enthusiasts seeking an affordable and ready-to-run drag car platform, this 1976 Chevrolet Vega offers a practical entry point into competitive racing without unnecessary complications or delays. 6. 1973 Chevrolet Vega Big Tire Bracket Car. Price $15,000. Located in St. Louis, Missouri. The 1973 Chevrolet Vega big tire bracket car offered here is a proven and reliable drag racing machine designed specifically for bracket competition. This Vega is a turnkey setup, allowing the next owner to race immediately with minimal preparation. Built with consistency and durability in mind, it reflects a thoughtful combination of power, safety, and proven components. The car is equipped with an 8.50 specification roll cage, although the certification has expired, indicating its original compliance with competitive safety standards. Power comes from a 355 cubic inch engine featuring a dart block, Gary Duckworth 18-degree cylinder heads, Jezzel valve train, and a high compression setup running on alcohol. Ignition duties are handled by an MSD crank trigger system paired with a digital 7 ignition box. A Powerglide transmission with a 4,500 revolutions per minute converter delivers consistent power transfer, making this Vega highly predictable on the track. The rear end is a Mark Williams 9-inch unit, known for strength and reliability in high-performance drag racing applications. An engine diaper is installed, further emphasizing safety compliance. Performance figures highlight the car's capability, with reported runs of 6.30 seconds in the eighth mile and 9.90 seconds in the quarter mile. These numbers make it competitive in many bracket racing classes. Described as super reliable and fun to drive, this Vega is well suited for racers who prioritize consistency over constant adjustment. For those seeking a dependable and well-sorted bracket car, this 1973 Chevrolet Vega represents excellent value. 7. 1987 GMC Sierra Pickup Pro Street. Price $40,000. Located in Midlothian, Texas. The 1987 GMC Sierra Pickup presented here is a highly modified Pro Street-style truck built for serious performance while retaining street-focused character. Finished in white with a black interior, this Sierra combines classic square-body truck styling with modern race-inspired upgrades. With approximately 1,000 miles driven since completion, the build reflects limited use and careful ownership. Under the hood sits a freshly built 400 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine that has not yet made any passes, paired with a Powerglide transmission designed to handle high horsepower demands. A chromoly roll cage provides structural rigidity and enhanced safety, reinforcing the truck's performance-oriented purpose. This Sierra is offered as a paid-off vehicle with a clean ownership status, simplifying the purchase process. The seller states a firm asking price and notes that the only trade considered would be a Cummins-swapped Crew Cab K30 square body, indicating a focused and serious transaction. The combination of lightweight race components, a fresh drivetrain, and a strong chassis setup makes this GMC Sierra suitable for both aggressive street use and drag racing applications. It stands out as a unique alternative to traditional muscle cars, offering the same performance potential in a pickup platform. For enthusiasts seeking something different yet equally capable, this 1987 GMC Sierra Pro Street build delivers power, presence, and exclusivity. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Roller. Price $21,500. Located in Gilmer, Texas. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Roller offered here is a classic first-generation Camaro built as a dedicated drag racing platform. This vehicle is being sold as a roller only, meaning it does not include an engine or transmission, making it an ideal foundation for racers who already have a preferred drivetrain or are planning a custom build. The car previously ran in an old-school back half configuration, reflecting its roots in traditional drag racing construction. The chassis setup features a Smith Rassicraft front suspension, a respected name in race-proven components, providing a solid and reliable front end designed for straight-line performance. The back half construction allows for larger rear tires and improved weight transfer, making this Camaro well-suited for high-horsepower drag applications. The seller notes that the car can be sold in several different configurations, indicating flexibility depending on the buyer's needs and intended use. Condition is described as used but like new in terms of its racing configuration, suggesting the chassis and body remain in good overall shape. This Camaro is not a street cruiser but a purpose-built race shell, aimed at serious buyers who understand the value of a properly constructed roller. Trades may be considered, and interested buyers are encouraged to communicate directly to discuss details. Located in Gilmer, Texas, this 1969 Camaro represents an accessible entry point into first-generation Camaro drag racing. For enthusiasts seeking a well-known platform with classic styling and proven race heritage, this Camaro roller provides a strong and adaptable starting point. 9. 1972 Ford Grand Torino race car. Price $6,500. Located in Duncan, Oklahoma. The 1972 Ford Grand Torino race car presented here is a vintage muscle-era platform configured for drag racing and street strip use. Powered by a 351 cubic inch engine featuring a big camshaft, this Torino delivers aggressive performance characteristics paired with a C6 automatic transmission known for durability. The car is equipped with slick tires, a fuel cell, and an MSD ignition system, supporting consistent performance on the strip. Safety and racing equipment include a roll cage, racing seat, and harness, emphasizing its purpose-built nature. While the vehicle carries a VIN, it does not come with a title. Instead, it is offered with a notarized bill of sale. This makes it most suitable for racing or off-street use rather than daily driving. The overall condition is described as used and good, reflecting a functional and honest race car rather than a cosmetic showpiece. The Gran Torino platform offers a distinctive alternative to more common drag cars, standing out with its larger body style and classic Ford muscle presence. Its straightforward mechanical setup makes it approachable for racers who prefer simplicity and ease of maintenance. Located in Duncan, Oklahoma, this Torino is offered at a competitive price and is listed as open to serious inquiries only, with no trades considered. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable, vintage Ford race car with proven components and clear racing intent, this 1972 Ford Grand Torino delivers solid value and character. 10. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Price $19,000. Located in Cedar Creek, Texas. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe offered here is a second-generation Camaro built with both street and strip performance in mind. Finished in a charcoal exterior with a matching charcoal interior, this car maintains a cohesive and aggressive appearance. With over 123,000 miles recorded, it reflects long-term use combined with significant performance upgrades. At the heart of this Camaro is a 498 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine with only a few passes since its build. The seller notes that the engine runs perfectly and includes a documented build list for reference. Power is transferred through a Powerglide transmission to a Chrysler 8.8 rear end, a setup chosen for strength and reliability. New tires are installed, making the car ready for immediate use. This Camaro is described as a capable A-body style performer that does not discriminate between street driving and drag strip duty. The seller is open to cash or trade offers, with interest in clean diesel vehicles, boats, motorcycles, or land, reflecting flexibility in transaction options. Located in Cedar Creek, Texas, this Camaro Z28 presents an opportunity to own a well-modified second-generation Chevrolet with serious power potential. For enthusiasts looking for a versatile muscle car that balances everyday usability with strong drag racing capability, this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro stands as a compelling option.